Now that we have a basic understanding of our users, it's time to go over to look at our competitors. Let's say you love playing video games. Imagine you want to create your own video game. But before you start making it, you would want to see what other games are out there, right? So you would first start playing different games and see what parts you like about them, like the cool characters, exciting challenges, or awesome graphics. But you would also notice that there are things that bother you, like the confusing menu or hard to understand instructions. This is like competitive analysis in UX. People who create games look at other games to understand what's working well and what could be improved. They want to make their game the best by taking good stuff from other games and avoiding the not so good stuff. Similarly, when you are asked to design a product, you first look at your competitors' work to make your product better. Here's a competitive analysis of the process of booking a cab. So we have two applications, Uber and Lyft, and the other is just a normal taxi. They've mentioned some criteria on the left column, and the criteria is measured by a yes or no. So the first criteria is security assistance. They say that Uber allows security assistant, and even Lyft has that feature, whereas we can't ensure security in a normal taxi. Coming to sharing a ride, you can share it in Uber and Lyft, and also in a normal taxi. If you can also see the prices in advance in Uber and Lyft, but of course you can't do that in a normal taxi. Coming to ordering food also, you can order food through Uber, but you can't do the same through Lyft and a normal taxi. So this is one way of conducting a competitive analysis. Now, let's look at the business problem we discussed in the previous video. We see that streamlining the menu navigation and simplifying the ordering process is the main motto. Now, while we are conducting the competitive analysis, we will focus more on these processes. In the next video, we will be discussing about how to conduct a competitive analysis. Thank you.